Hello, my vine is growing well. I thought I'd show you pictures of what I've been doing in the garden. Lots of beautiful flowers, peony, geraniums, my roses coming through. I've been doing a little bit of crochet in the garden, hedgehog, and reading a lot and making a book bag. And a little trip to Hay-on-Wye. This is us camping at Tangerine Fields, which is excellent. Right next to the Hay-on-Wye River, the River Wye of course, with the dragonflies. Loads of books, 22 bookshops in Hay-on-Wye. This is an old Hay-on-Wye cinema. Loads of books. The centre of Hay-on-Wye is excellent. Hay Castle, with an honesty bookshop where you pay £1 for books. The centre of Hay-on-Wye. Really lovely town, worth visiting. Absolute superb, very laid back atmosphere. There's books everywhere. Of course, we had a trip up to the Hay Festival, but I preferred Hay-on-Wye really. Excellent breakfast at Angie's.